Ever wondered how to replace a clutch on a standard transmission vehicle? Well, it's quite the task, but with a little guidance, it's definitely achievable. First, gather the necessary tools. A socket set, a clutch alignment tool, a jack, and jack stands are all crucial. Don't forget the new clutch kit itself. The initial step involves disconnecting the battery. A simple task. Remove the negative terminal first, then the positive. This ensures safety while working on the vehicle. Next, it's time to lift the vehicle. Using a jack, raise the vehicle high enough to work comfortably underneath. Always remember to secure the vehicle with jack stands for safety. Now, the real work begins. Remove the drive shaft. This might require a bit of elbow grease, but persistence pays off. Once done, keep it in a safe place, ensuring it doesn't get damaged. With the drive shaft out of the way, it's time to disconnect the shifter. This varies from vehicle to vehicle, so consulting the owner's manual might come in handy here. Next in line, the transmission. It's hefty, so a transmission jack is recommended. Remove the bolts holding it in place and slowly lower it down. Be careful not to damage any surrounding parts. With the transmission removed, the clutch is exposed. Remove the pressure plate bolts and the clutch disc will come free. Now's the perfect time to inspect the flywheel for any damage. If needed, consider having it resurfaced or replaced. Unbox the new clutch kit. It should contain a clutch disc, a pressure plate, and a release bearing. Before installing anything, clean the flywheel with brake cleaner to remove any grease or dirt. Align the new clutch disc with the flywheel using the clutch alignment tool. This ensures the transmission shaft will fit perfectly into the clutch disc's hub. Next, install the new pressure plate over the clutch disc. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure. Now, replace the release bearing. This step varies based on vehicle model, so consult the owner's manual for specific instructions. With everything in place, it's time to reinstall the transmission. Lift it back into place with the transmission jack and secure it with the bolts. Reconnect the shifter and drive shaft. Lower the vehicle from the jack stands and reconnect the battery. And there you have it. The clutch replacement is complete. In summary, the clutch replacement process involves disconnecting the battery, lifting the vehicle, removing the drive shaft, disconnecting the shifter, removing the transmission, replacing the clutch disc, pressure plate, and release bearing, reinstalling the transmission, reconnecting the shifter and drive shaft, lowering the vehicle, and reconnecting the battery. It's a hefty task, but with patience and focus, it's certainly doable. And remember, always consult the vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions and safety procedures. Happy wrenching!